Let's walk through how to create a fade-in text animation in After Effects. This method gives you full control over the effect, allowing you to create a smooth transition. First, open After Effects and create a new composition. For this tutorial, I've set mine to 30 frames per second. Next, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the composition to start typing your text. You can use any font you like. Once you've typed out your text, you can align it to the center of the composition for a balanced look. Now, switch back to the Selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard. With your text layer selected, we can move on to creating the fade-in effect. For a simple fade, you could press T on your keyboard, which brings up the opacity setting, and keyframe that. But if you want more control, follow these steps. Click the small arrow next to your text layer to open its properties. Underneath, you'll see an Animate button. Click this, and from the menu that appears, choose Opacity. This will add an animator to your text layer. Before doing anything else, set the opacity value to 0%. This ensures your text starts off invisible. Next, click the arrow next to Range Selector to open its settings. You'll see an Offset option. Click the stopwatch icon next to Offset to create a keyframe. Set the offset value to 0%. Now, move your playhead a few frames forward in the timeline. How far you move, it will determine how long the fade-in takes. Once you've moved the playhead, set the offset value to 100%. This creates a second keyframe and completes the fade-in effect. If you play back your composition, you'll see the text gradually appearing on the screen. If you want the text to fade in based on whole words instead of individual letters, go to the Advanced section under the Range Selector. In this section, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Based On. Change this from characters to words. This method gives you a lot of flexibility, allowing you to easily adjust the speed and style of the fade-in effect, and that's it. You've created a smooth text fade-in animation in After Effects.